Common denominator. When we add fractions, we need to make sure that there is a common denominator. Then we will add the numerators together, and then we will keep the denominator. And then finally, we will reduce the fraction if needed. Example 1. In a series circuit, there are 3 resistors. Find the total resistance of the 3 resistors given the following. So we have 1, 6, 1, 6, and 1, 6 for each one. So all we need to do is just add them up together. Notice that we have a common denominator of 6. So we know we can go ahead and add them, because we cannot add if they are not the same. So what we do is we keep the denominator. So we're going to leave it as 6. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what we're doing, which is equal to 3. Next, we need to reduce. So we can reduce each by a factor of 3. So this just becomes 1/2. And this would be our total resistance. Now let's look at another example. Example 2. Find the total horsepower of 4 motors. So we have 4 motors, and we have 3 fours plus 3 fours plus 3 fours plus 1 fourth. So this will be how we find the total horsepower. Notice we have a common denominator, so we keep our denominator, and then we need to add up our numerators together. So we're going to add up these numbers. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Now 10 over 4 can be reduced because both are even, so we know we can reduce by a factor of 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we would say our total horsepower is 5 over 2.